Hello, everyone. You're welcome to another week of food and nutrition with Mrs. Olenka. I hope you're all good this week. I'm also very good. I'm happy to see you all. All right, this week we're looking at something very important and interesting as well, and the topic is entrepreneurship. Can I hear you echo it? Entrepreneurship. Yes, that's the topic for today. So, before I continue, I would like somebody to remind me of the lab topic for last week. Can anybody remember? Last week topic. Okay, food flavoring and coloring. Yes. So today we'll be looking at entrepreneurship. All right. All right. So for our learning objective for today's class is we should be able to understand what entrepreneurship is all about. That's self-employment. Then we should be able to set up a catering enterprise. What it takes to set up a catering enterprise, and then how do we manage our business? We should be able to set up a catering enterprise and manage the business as well. Entrepreneurship has to do with being self-employed. Self-employed. Now, talking about self-employment, it means working for yourself. Self-employment means working for yourself, not for an employer. It means you are the boss of yourself. You own your business and the profit belongs to you. And if there's any loss whatsoever or any risk whatsoever, it also belongs to you. Now, setting up a catering enterprise. What do you need to set up a catering enterprise? Because I know that so many of us, after our university education, we might want to have businesses alongside our careers, alongside our educational careers. So to plan and set up a catering enterprise, the first thing you need to do is to plan your menu and services. What kind of service do you want to be rendering? Do you want to go into baking, food preparation, beverages? So, and if it's food preparation, what kind of menu do you want to serve? Is this traditional dishes or foreign dishes? Now, the next thing is register your business legally, like register with CAC, Corporate Affairs Commission. Register legally and then find suppliers and equipment, all the things you need in your kitchen, all the things you need for your catering enterprise, all the equipment, get them ready, and your suppliers you buy from them. Get where you're going to be getting your supplies cheaper, and then market your catering services. Tell people about your catering services. You can do it verbally, as orally, or online using different social media platforms. So how do we manage a catering enterprise? Managing a catering enterprise, how do we do that? Firstly, budgeting and controlling costs. You first of all think about your budgeting, your food budgeting, and then how do you control costs? Yes, your revenue, how do you plan your food, how do you portion, how do you plan your services, how do you control costs? Then hiring and scheduling staff. Your staff, what number do you need? Two, three, four, depending on how big your catering enterprise is. Then, if you don't need too many staff, you don't need to hire a lot of staff to cut down on costs. Then, maintaining food safety and hygiene, ensure that your work environment is hygienic enough for guests to want to visit. And then, providing great customer service, have good human relation, have good interpersonal relations, be able to communicate well with your customer, make sure your customers are comfortable with your service. Okay, so here we have a little project for ourselves. What we need to do is to create your own business plan as an entrepreneur. Think like an entrepreneur, create a catering enterprise for yourself. Like you are the owner of it, just a little one, just a simple one. Then what do you include? Include your menu ideas, your marketing plans, your budgeting strategy, and your management approach. Then you submit in the Google Classroom. I want to see how creative you can be with your business plan. Okay, in conclusion and in summary, we have talked about self-employment, being the owner of your business, and then we talked about setting up, and we're talking about managing your business. So I want you to take everything that we have discussed in today's class into practice, and let's see young entrepreneurs coming up from this place. Thank you all for joining today's class. I really enjoy your patience and your attention. See you all in the next class. I'll be expecting you. Make sure you do your assignment and be good. Bye.